Omulimo gw'okwihamiza omugira gwa Kagera ukozirwe National Water and Sewerage Corporation gukatandika 2022 kandi gumazireho sente ziri kwingana biliyoni 2. Project egi egenderire kwongera obuheereza bw'amaizi marungi omu bantu ba Mbarara City, Mbarara District, Isingiro hamwe n'ebicweka bimwe omuri Kiruhura. Izooba lya nyumwazyo abebembezi kuruga muri Mbarara City, Mbarara District, Isingiro District barambwire emirimo ekozirwe aha project egi. Okurugirira Senior Director Planning and Capital Development omu kitongole kya National Water and Sewerage Corporation PADE2SG okweyongera kw'abantu omu rurembo rwa Mbarara hamwe n'emyanya endiijo abari kwenda amaizi marungi hamwe n'okwoma kw'omugira gwa Rwizi ni bimwe aha bigyemeserize gavumenti kuteeka sente omu project egi.
So, and what we call specific consumption is increasing. So the pressure on human beings on a small water resource was also increasing. So we set out to get water from Isingiro.
Dennis Muramuzo, General Manager wa National Water Sewerage Corporation itaje lya Mbarara nagira ngo abatura ba Mbarara bamwe batangiye koresa amaizi agari kucundwa kuruga mu Kagera.
What I can tell Mbarara district is that even where your district headquarters is in Wizwera, we benefit because of Kagera. Because now the water that would be consumed in town is all being diverted to Wizwera, and I think for the last 1 week the customers in Wizwera and in Otoma must have seen the difference, and that difference in the increase in the volume of water that is coming that side is because we have Kagera water. So the reservoirs at home are filled by Kagera.
N'ubu abatura ba Mbarara batangiye koresa amaizi agabo abebembezi ba district y'Isingiro aho amaizi garikomoka tibashemereirwe ab'okuba ekyanga kyabo tishakahikirwemu obuheereza bw'amaizi aga.
Turiye omunsi y'omushana ogwo kuteera munonga. So president akatureba yaja ati reka mbahereze project y'amaizi obundi kayamba habizu byabo nito tureka kusharinga amaizi ninga kunywa amaizi na nendi ushange ngo nitwe kumora tapu tunywa amaizi marungi kicendeze endwara zitu obuyonjo bweyonje konka ikintu cyo busasa munonga necyo kushanga ngo abantu ba National Water hati na nasoge ya company amaizi garigire y'Isingiro gizire Mbarara Isingiro tu akatungire mizi.
Aha nshongeji engineer PADE2SG nashobora ngo hakiriho umurimo mwingi gwo gukora ku isi y'amaizi mu bicweka bya Isingiro.
System of the water is available. Although the frustration would be that the Isingiro people might see there is no water. The people in the towns in Kavigo, you have like a huge installations. We have a lifting station. You will not see water. Because the component which is supposed to take water from there to the village, including his own village, is supposed we have left some teas.
We Jackson Msimo project engineer nashobora ngo kuba ari kuzagaba amaizi aga mpaka Isingiro n'ebicweka bindi.
Turetingira aha tugatwara Mbarara. That is one component, and that is the backbone ubwo mugongo wa system ya water project egi. Rero kurga backbone ejo arahamiza garazankahi Isingiro mu district yone.
Mbarara district ni imwe district ziri kuzaganyira amaizi aga kandi we Honorable Bazili Bataringaya umyishengero wa Kashari North nagira ngo ikinkija kwira abatura.
Mbarara go Rwizi mutuba twakira hati Rwizi ga Kagera Mbarara district na Mbarara City zakwantu yaho n'emitwaro 12 dene ndije 18 esigare Isingiro.
Amaizi agakuza kubanigiho muri Kagera buri zoba nagakozesebwa abantu nigaza kubanigingana million liters 30. Aha project egi omurimo wo kujajaza amaizi muri Isingiro n'obujunanizibwa bwa Ministry y'Amaizi kandi omurimo ogwo negitekatekwa kutandika obwire bwona. Awatayari Western Susan Alinomkisa.